you want to download and install IBO Player on your Firestick, follow these simple steps to get it up and running. First, on your Firestick home screen, go to Settings and select My Fire TV. Then, click on Developer Options and enable apps from unknown sources to allow third-party installations. Now, return to the home screen and open the Downloader app. If you don't have it, go to the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader, and install it. Once opened, enter the URL of the IBO Player PK file and hit Go to start the download. After the download is complete, click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, open the app, enter your activation details, and start streaming your content. If the app doesn't appear on your home screen, press and hold the Home button on your Firestick remote. Go to Apps, find IBO Player, and move it to the front for easy access. Now you're all set to enjoy IBO Player on your Firestick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.